Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Bare Knuckle Fight Night Champion. To begin, familiarize yourself with the game's unique bare knuckle damage system, where every punch carries significant weight. Focus on precise striking and defensive maneuvers to outwit your opponent. Mastering your stamina is crucial. Avoid overextending yourself to ensure you have enough energy for the later rounds. This foundational knowledge will set you up for success. To dominate offensively, learn to mix up your attacks. Employ quick jabs to set up your opponent, then follow with powerful hooks and uppercuts for maximum impact. Aim for critical areas such as the head and body to inflict significant damage and wear down your adversary. String together 2 or 3 strikes into effective combos to overwhelm their defenses and create openings for devastating blows. A strong defense is just as vital as a powerful offense. Effectively employ blocks to absorb incoming punches and utilize dodges to completely evade attacks. After a successful defensive maneuver, immediately counterpunch to capitalize on your opponent's momentary vulnerability. Maintaining proper distance is key. Stay just out of reach while remaining close enough to launch your own attacks, controlling the fight's rhythm. For advanced play, constantly observe your opponent for weaknesses and adapt your strategy throughout the fight. Conserve your stamina wisely, saving enough energy for crucial late-round flurries when your opponent is most vulnerable. Look for opportunities to land well-timed power shots, especially after stunning them, to secure a decisive knockout victory. Mastering these tactics will elevate your game to the next level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.